viewers and subscribers. This evening we will be uploading the second episode of Get to Know, the bartender autobiography of the up close and personal interview with your bartender or your special bartender cast member.
This episode will be with the well-decorated Robert Finzi Smith, aka Uncle Bobby, aka David Mullins.
Listen, you don't want to miss this information-filled interview. It has so much information that it was done in 2 parts, 7 and 7:15. And guess what? Uno might get brata.
Oh, and remember, the bartender returns on November the 30th with a special pre-premiere party at Incognito Vacation Stay. The YouTube upload will be on December the 1st.